Same. Does God ever change? It's said He's always the same. Change is not God's game. I read about God changing His mind, even between the lines. Isn't that characteristic of a stranger kind? A God open to humanity's wish, not His higher power to unleash. He listens to our cries, even if we think He dies somewhere between heaven and here, in thin air disappear into oblivion, totally unseen. God does change, not in being, but in mind, as He is love and kind, emotive in His being, making us sing because it is directed as emotions enshrined and bestowed on us. He is not hard as stone, in His heart directed to bestow all His grace on us through Christ's dying rush. The fullness of God's emotional love becoming true as He changed above, from heaven to a child, a sin bearer on our half, conferred. God's love did not change God. It changed us in accord when His Son took our sins up a hill where He was sacrificed and killed. Now we can never be the same. Even from day to day as we change in the footsteps of His new way, nothing will ever be the same.